Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video, I'm going to show you the ways to download the Rainbow Six Siege for PC. So in order to download the Rainbow Six Siege for PC, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, go ahead and open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in steampowered.com, and when you actually type in the following information, it's going to take you to the official page. Go ahead and log in into your account. So if you don't have a Steam account, then you need to create one, or you just have to go and install it. First of all, by tapping on the install Steam button. Moving on, just select the device that you're installing Steam on. And when you're done installing Steam, what next you just have to do is you have to head back to the home page and go to your store. When you are on the following page, then on the search box, type in the game that you're looking for, that is Rainbow Six Siege. When you actually locate the following game that you're looking for, go ahead and press on it, read all of these terms and conditions, and scroll down a bit and go to Add to Cart. When you've actually added the product to your cart, click on View My Cart, and moving on, you just have to go ahead and select the payment method or continue to payment. So then you can go ahead and purchase the game, and after that you just have to go ahead and create an account, and you'll have successfully downloaded Rainbow Six Siege for PC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.